Hey, so you want to know about $10 solo ads and if they really work? Well, you came to the right place. And I'm going to give a review on this just based on what I see and based on some people that came to me and have said they have tried this source and they have got little to no results. They pretty much, I had some people that came to me and was like, Geo, I got $10 solo ads and I tried it out and I got a bunch of crap traffic to my autoresponder and now all my emails are going to spam and none of the people um, that I got on my list are opening, right? So basically when you get any traffic, you want to make sure that the traffic is actually a quality traffic, that it's not like crap, that you could actually, get results with it, and that it's actually real people, right? And a lot of times when you buy, traffic this cheap, if you look at the prices, anything that looks too good to be true most likely is. And uh, I would kind of tell you not to waste your money on this traffic because um, it's basically like um, a traffic exchange, quality traffic. Which, if you know anything about traffic exchanges, there are people that are looking for uh, promotion for their own businesses, right? So you're not going to get the highest quality targeted traffic if you get traffic from this source. If you spend $10 on some solo ads, chances are that you're really not going to make the kind of sales that you want to, and they're not going to show you how to actually track your stats and how to actually market your business online. They're just going to send you some crappy traffic for $10, and that's pretty much it. But this is just my opinion on this traffic source based on some people that came to me and said that they got a bunch of crap traffic, and they ordered from here and it wasn't really anything, and they had to actually go through a process to actually get their account back up and running because their get response actually got banned because a get response caught this traffic in the autoresponder and actually flagged the traffic that was coming through there, right? So you want to be very careful when you order from traffic sources like this. Now, they do a lot of advertising, and I'm not saying that this traffic source you might not get sales from it. I'm saying that you may get sales from it, but the quality of it is not going to be as good. When I sell traffic from my own store. It's profitbuilderstraffic.com, and my main goal when I give people traffic is to actually make sure that their traffic is targeted to their offers, and that they actually have a good landing page and sales copy that's going to actually promote their offers and capture their leads the right way. And you want to make sure, like I said, that you have a quality traffic source that you use for this traffic, because not all solo ads are created equally, right? And I learned that the hard way. I spent $87,000 in cold traffic when I first started. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how to track my stats. I didn't know anything about cold traffic, and nobody would help me. So I ended up spending $87,000, and I had to figure out how I was going to actually pay that off because it landed me in a bad situation, and I had to uh, learn traffic and learn how to actually become a marketer to get myself out of that situation. So the first thing that we do is we want to make sure that you have quality traffic, and if you're asking, where exactly does the traffic come from that you have? So The traffic that we have comes from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So if you're marketing and you're using traffic, you want to get a variety of traffic from good sources, and that's what we do. And I also, when you book a traffic package with me, you have the option to set up a call. And my goal when we set up the call is to help you to manage and set up your funnels and help you to get the best conversions possible with your offers. I want to give you my highest converting pages if you would like them. And they have got my clients anywhere from up to an 85% opt-in rate. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that you'll get those results, but I try to aim for at least 50%. My highest is 88% as of now, and I hope that when you order traffic from me that you'll get those same kind of results too. And I want you to understand how to actually track your leads and know your conversion rate, because a lot of people come to me, they don't know any stats, they're not tracking anything, and tracking is very important because if you don't track, then you're wasting money and throwing it down the drain. You always have to be tracking your stats and knowing your stats when you're buying cold traffic. And I want to help you build a list with only the right people and the most quality people and the most engaged people that you can. And that's what I show you how to do when you get traffic from me. So the first step is to order your traffic package, and I got packages as low as 50 cents a click. The more traffic you get, the cheaper it becomes. And my goal is to review your campaign to get you the highest amount of um, opt-ins possible with results and sales and everything like that. And I want you to understand how to actually use email marketing in the right way. So then we take 3 days to actually um, have you all set up and ready to go. Once I review your campaign, it could be started within 24 to 72 hours, right? So it could be anywhere from a day to three, depending on what we have to do with your campaign. And I want to make sure you get the best results possible. So here's some of my results right here. Uh, I have 5 sales on 200 clicks. I got 2 sales on 200 clicks. 3 sales, and as you can see, the opt-in rate for some of these. Um, when they use my custom funnel setup, they have as high as an 88% opt-in rate. So that's my highest as of now. And this one's at 85. This one's a 65. So I always try to at least, get you. This is 82% opt-in rate. So I always try to get you at least at 50%. That's what I aim for. That's my goal. So I want to try to get you as many leads as possible when you order traffic from me. And I want to try to get you conversions as well. So you just pick a package right here. Here's 90% T1. And if you get 100% T1, it's right here. 100% T1 is always best. So when you order your traffic, just pick a package that works for you. Here's some of the companies that I work with that have the best results with my traffic. And then here's some of the questions that people ask. So you're gonna want to review these questions before you order, so that way you have everything that you need to know before you actually make your order. Here's my guarantee to you that you'll have no fake clicks, and that I will compensate you for any traffic issues that you're having with other traffic. So I don't issue refunds, but I do, in fact, compensate you in traffic. If you're having an issue with your traffic, I will make sure that it's corrected and get you everything that you need, so that way you get what you paid for, right? And if you have any questions, you could leave your question down here and I will answer it very shortly as soon as I get your email, right? So that's how you can get in contact with me. You can also reach out to me on Facebook. I am on Facebook as well. Gianta, that's my Facebook. And you could reach out to me on there. And if you are ready to get traffic that converts, that's going to actually produce sales for you, and you want the hands-on support, with me, make sure you click on the link below this video to order your traffic package. It'll take you to this page. You can order your traffic package. Also, be sure to get into my Facebook group. It's a free Facebook group. The link is below this video as well. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this so you don't miss any videos on traffic and conversions. And so that way you get the best results with your solo ads. I look forward to working with you in the future. And bye for now.